guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I edit my pictures on my Samsung Galaxy S8. There has been an update on the Samsung Galaxy S8 software, and I really wanted to share with you guys how I have worked with it to edit my pictures and be able to make them super nice and upgrade them. I really enjoy editing my pictures. I want to share with you guys what I have found works and also some apps that I have found that are completely free for picture editing and I also enjoy. So I will be sharing with you guys all of that, and I hope you guys like this video, enjoy, get some ideas, tips on how to edit your pictures and make them super nice. If you guys like it, subscribe, and let's just get this video started. Alright, so I will be going through different pictures to show you guys how I use either the apps or my actual phone to edit my pictures. So this one is a very specific picture that I wanted to work with and show you guys. So this is the before. So we have some shadows looking a little dark, and contrast is very dark. This was a pink background and I feel like it's not popping enough. It just looks quite dull, and this is the after, so a lot more vibrant, a lot more brightness, highlight. You could definitely see how much better the pink background looks editing with my phone. So as you guys could see, it is now a little bit different. This is how the software update has become and how it looks like. So I'm just gonna click right here to edit, and we have our same icons right here. So we have filters, stickers, text, fast. We also have, like, if you want to flip the picture, either or, cropping. We also have our advanced features right here. So we have the portrait as well as spot color, advanced portrait, and I am going to go down here and raise up my lighting for the face. I want my face to be bright. You could definitely do smooth skin, and this literally makes you look so flawless and filtered. I'm also going to use this one to make my eyes bigger. So I definitely want bigger eyes. This one is for the face slimming, background blurring, can make your legs longer, and fixing a red eye. So make sure you guys save it, and then I'm going to go on to fixing a little bit of the rest. So to do this one, I am going to actually go to an app. So I am going to swipe up and I'm going to go to my picture editing, and I'm going to use Lightroom. So here we are in Lightroom. We just have all these pictures right here. I'm going to go to profiles and I'm going to go to modern, and I'm going to go to, let's do, these are all the modern ones. Let's do modern 6 and see how it looks. Okay, it's still looking a little dark. Let's try modern 4. I think I'll keep this one, so I'm going to use modern 2. So now I'm here back to my device, so I'm going to click on editing. And I'm actually going to apply a filter from here. So I am going to apply this one. This one is called Maple, and Maple literally transformed this picture. I will show you guys right now how the difference is. So this is the original picture, very dark shadows, kind of like blue toned. Maple is definitely pink toned, so it'll bring out the pink background. Definitely got softer, my face got softer, I do not look as harsh. So I will be saving that to show you guys how you guys could sharpen it. So I will be going right here as well, and I'm going to sharpen this. So here is sharpen right there, and now I definitely look better, and now I definitely like the way this picture looks. It's sharp and it's clear, crisp. Definitely love this one. So I have now made it so much better. If you guys could see, everything just looks a lot more vibrant. I have this one which has a lot of color in here. So this picture I will definitely be editing here first because I want to crop this. So I will be cropping everything that I feel like should be out of this picture to portrait, and I am going to brighten up my face about a 3. I am going to smooth my face about a 3 as well. See, just like that. And I will also be making my eyes a bit bigger, a 4. So now I really like how it looks. We'll be going into Lightroom. Okay, so here is my uploaded picture. Now I'm going to go to profiles. I'm going to go to modern, and I am going to click around and kind of explore. So let's see, 10 is pretty crisp, but not what I want. And number 2 makes things super neon. Maybe we could turn down the neon. Let's see if that helps out a little bit. Okay, so the neon is a little bit better. I feel like number 1 looks way too neon, so maybe we could keep this. Okay, so now that it is saved on my device, I will be going in here and seeing what else I could change. So I could probably add cream. Oh, cream definitely made it very nice. I like how it just changed the whole picture. Let me show you guys. From original, very warm, and now cream just adds that bright, cool. Sharpening this. I'm going to apply sharpen. There we go. I'm also going to use a little bit more saturation. So I'm going to increase the saturation. Now you guys could see how much better and how much brighter the picture looks. So I will be saving it. Really took it up to the best perfection that we can. I really enjoy using both Lightroom and my phone to kind of edit the pictures. And that is all for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot and got some tips and enjoyed this video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!